that traffic behind you, signal right, and move into the right lane. Awesome. So the reason I say to get your speed up right away like that is if you're impeding traffic, that could be a problem. So as soon as you get in that left lane, get your speed up right away to 50. And then you automatically change lanes just like we did. In other words, you don't keep driving in the left lane.
The left lane are for the fast drivers.
Yeah. Yeah. And the only time you stay in the left lane is if the examiner asks you to. Otherwise, move to the right lane.
Sorry. That one I wouldn't be able to avoid.
Yeah, yeah. No, no.
Right in the middle.
That's fine. It's inevitable. We're gonna hit some, so.
Yeah, my mom said that on the highway, her instructor told her to
keep rolling.
Keep rolling?
Yeah, because you were at that point where you can no longer stop safely behind the line.
Okay, got it.
Especially in the winter, ice.
Yeah.
Let's make a left lane change, and then you can finish your story there. And keep going straight here.
Yeah, her instructor told her to be on the left lane for a while, you know, and there were people behind her and everything, and she was like, well, he asked. Gotta stay.
Yeah. Sometimes it depends on their own direction. Like the examiners, they can ask you to do whatever, right? And if they want you to stay in the left lane and drive in it, well, okay, that's fine. But if you are, just make sure you're checking that rear view mirror for any ambulances.
Okay.
Because if you're in the left lane, you don't want to get trapped here.
Then you kind of have to go back.
Yeah.
Even if he said to stay on the left lane,
Oh, yeah.
because if there's an ambulance, then just
move out of the way safely, of course.
Okay.
Sometimes it may not even be possible to make the right lane change. Just kind of leave space somewhere for the ambulance to get by. These lights here, we're going to turn left. So signal here and blind spot check before you move in. Watching in front of you, you can cut in.
I usually have a problem with this blind spot because...
Which one? The left one,
looking at the over your shoulder in general.
We'll do a few lane changes and so you get used to where things are in your mirror. We'll do that later when we come back. Protected left turn. It's all yours. See, so double lane here, so you get in this lane first and then you make your right lane change.
Same thing. You get up to speed and then change.
You got her. No problem.